Hey guys, Jeff Discher, real estate broker with the Discher Group at Douglas Elliman, and today I want to talk about something that some of you in newer communities may be experiencing or paying for, and if you're looking to purchase a home, you might see this fee popping up. What is this fee that costs so much? It is a Mello Roos fee. So today's video is on what is a Mello Roos fee. We just covered it at one of our most recent business planning trips and our office meeting. It was just something that popped up that we were talking about down in kind of East Lake area. We know there's a lot up in like the San Marcos area. And what does it mean? We know what HOA fee is, right? Homeowners Association fee, typically within a development, a condo complex, some townhomes, even housing. You see it down in, again, East Lake, Chula Vista, some of the newer communities, Rancho Bernardo, Forest Ranch. They have an HOA even on home, single family homes. What does that take care of? That take care of all the common ground maintenance, limited insurance, trash, water. There's a bunch of stuff it takes care of within a given community, right? Well, a Mello Roos fee that you'll see sometimes added on to additional fees each month basically take care of the whole development. So meaning when you go in and you create a huge development, new schools, infrastructure, streets, police stations, fire departments, you create a whole infrastructure for a town or a city, you have to pay for it. Who's going to pay for it? City's not going to pay for it. So whenever a developer comes in and goes, hey, we want to put in 2,000 homes down in Rolling Hills, okay, well, you're going to need all the infrastructure, all the sewer, all the electrical, versus if you just go into the city or into a town you build and between a bunch of other residents or buildings, you could just pull off electricity off the lines, sewer's there, everything's already there and it's close. When you start building a whole master community or a whole big development, thousands of homes with Starbucks and schools and shopping centers and all this, you have to put infrastructure. That's what the Mello Roos fee pays for. So when you're down in East Lake and you're driving on the brand new streets and your kids go to the brand new gorgeous school and there's brand new fire trucks and new police cars driving around where you feel safe and everything feels new, you're paying for that through the Mello Roos fee. Sometimes you'll see it as a monthly fee that you pay, or it's incorporated in your taxes. You'll see the average taxes in San Diego for property taxes is 1.25, but when you start seeing sometimes Mello Roos in there, it'll be 1.4, 1.42, something like that. So you do pay for it. You are paying for the new schools, all the new bells and whistles of the new community. And the good news is there's two good news. The good news is you get a brand new community. The second part of the good news is after 25 years, it goes away. So if you are, but eventually it does get paid off. So it's something to think about. But when you do see that Mello Roos, just remember, guys, whenever you see that and you get mad and you yell at your agent, just remember that you're paying for that brand new community. You want that brand new community, that brand new feel, you're going to pay for it. So that's what a Mello Roos fee is, guys. A lot of people hate paying HOA, but there is meaning behind it. It does go somewhere. If you have any other questions, be sure to reach out to me. Jeff Discher, broker. You know where to find me. Facebook, Jeff Discher. Instagram, I Sell Real Estate. And on YouTube, Jeff Discher. See you guys next time.